In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an alarm in Google Calendar. Think of an alarm in Google Calendar as a notification that pops up to remind you about an upcoming event. It's quick, reliable, and works across your phone and computer as long as you're signed in and have notifications turned on. I'll walk you through setting an alarm for a brand new event, adding one to something that's already on your calendar, and creating a default alarm that applies to every new event you create. Let's start with a new event. Open Google Calendar. You can click the Create button at the top, or simply click the date and time directly on your calendar where the event should go. Give your event a clear title so you immediately know what it is at a glance. Now look for the Add Notification section within the event details. Choose Notification. This is the option that behaves like an alarm, showing a pop-up alert. Next, pick when you want the alert to trigger. You'll see ready-made choices like 5 minutes before, 10 minutes before, 30 minutes before, 1 hour before, or 1 day before. Choose the one that fits how much time you typically need, then click Save. When the reminder time arrives, a pop-up alert will appear on your phone or computer, keeping you on track without needing a separate alarm app. If the event already exists, you can still add an alarm in a couple of clicks. Open Google Calendar and find the event you want to modify. Click it, then select the Edit option, the pencil icon. Inside the event details, click Add Notification. Again, choose Notification and select how far in advance you want the alert using the same timing options. Click Save to confirm. This is especially useful for events you previously created without a reminder and don't want to miss. To make life even easier, set a default alarm for all future events so you don't have to add one each time. Open Google Calendar. On the left, under My Calendars, hover over your calendar name and click the three dots. Select Settings and Sharing. Scroll to the Event Notifications section, click Add Notification, and choose the reminder time that best fits your routine. From now on, every new event you create on that calendar will automatically include that alarm, saving you time and helping you stay consistent. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Calendar tips and tutorials.